How's it, everyone? This is not the mouse we're looking at. This used to be the mouse I used every day for quite a long time, probably for 4 years. Unfortunately, this got stolen out of my car recently. My computer bag got stolen. This was in there. So I've been looking at a replacement. I've been trying to just see what is best. The Master 3S is very expensive, the upgrade of this one they don't sell new anymore, and so I was looking at a different option, something else, and let's see. G502 Lightspeed. This is what I decided on after doing plenty of research. I just felt that this is the one to go for. Got it at a reasonable price, similar to what I paid for the Master 2S. So let's get cracking here. Just open this guy up. There we go. So the reason I went with this mouse is it's got very good performance. It is one of the top gaming mouse, I think, in the world. It's based on that platform, the G502, the wired one. This is the wireless one, and I still wanted that ergonomic mouse feel, but I wanted to obviously not spend as much as the Master 3S. I still wanted that free wheel. Ooh. This is a game changer when you're reading PDFs. This is something that Logitech is doing very well. Not all the gaming mouse has it. This one does, which is amazing. This is now my first time feeling it in hand, and I tell you what, this feels amazing. Definitely smaller than the Master 2S I used to have, but it perfectly just sits in my hand. I was actually a little bit nervous if it will sit nicely. Clicking is softer, definitely softer. I mean, there's lots of features. This thing has a lot more programmable buttons, and it's got a bit of RGB lighting, which I don't really care much about, but it's a cool little feature. So this little Logitech logo will light up, which is pretty cool. And it's got programmable buttons. These to me on the side are key. I love using them to go back and forward. Obviously, with a lot of productivity stuff, you can go to the previous page, next page. This doesn't have Bluetooth, but it's got a little dongle that it comes with. So there it pops. It's got extra weights. Let's check them out here. Hey, little Logitech logo badge sticker. Nice. That's a cool little thing. And here you've got your all your little weights, and then you've got your receiver. This is like a little adapter thing. You can bring your receiver closer if your PC box is on the ground or something like that. And there's your little dongle there, your receiver. And then micro USB. It's the only thing I'm not so stoked about. So obviously still old technology, but I'm not gonna pay extra 1,000 rand just to have a USB type C with the newest version. So I mean, this is good. You can play with, you can use it while charging, use this cable. Yeah, so that's all that's in the box. And I must say, just first impressions, this is a great feel in hand. Coming from something that's designed ergonomically and being like, this is, you know, what you need in life for productivity and long usage, this feels amazing. And I know the performance of this is a lot better in terms of your DPIs and your sensor, the Euro sensor. This guy will be a lot more accurate for that. So yeah, really stoked. Let's switch it on. There we go. Got our lights, and then yeah, that's your DPI. So you can change it, reduce it, increase it. Really cool. Yo, awesome stuff. Well, there's a lot of specs on this guy. You guys are welcome to go and Google them, but I just wanted to do a little first unboxing here of my new mouse, which I hopefully will have for many years to come. And yeah, I mean, this is very exciting. I'll probably do a bit of a review in the weeks to come, just of my usage, and very excited to use this guy. Will definitely miss this guy. I didn't want to replace it. It's just been something I've had to do. Got the box now, empty. Yeah. Anyways, G502, welcome to the family.